Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. Build a seed with the negative.
The information contained in this YouTube video and the resources available in the links below is not intended as and shall not be understood or construed as financial advice. We are not attorneys, accountants, or financial advisors, nor are we holding ourselves out to be, and the information contained is not a substitute for financial advice from a professional who is aware of the facts and circumstances of your individual situation. We have done our best to ensure that the information provided on this channel and the resources available are accurate and provide valuable information. Regardless of anything to the contrary, nothing available on or through the show should be understood as a recommendation that you should not consult with a financial professional to address your particular information. In short, only blame yourself if you lose money. Thank you.
Yo, stand up, we gon' make some moves tonight. Yeah, stand up, got something to prove tonight. So stand up, we ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. We ain't gonna stall, never stop. We gon' make it all to the top. We ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. Yeah, time to stand up, take control tonight. Spent too much time on the plan, it's right. It's time to execute now on your dream in life. Gotta fail fast, learn, try again and fight, alright. Pull the trigger, 6, 7 figures. Making that money from the drive that's in ya. Gold digger, making money quicker. Pain is good, make your skin a little thicker. It ain't luck, anyone that's at the top, no it ain't luck. It's a grind, it's a time since the day one. It's your mind deep inside, how you stay tough, how you get back up. You put the work in and it comes back. Multiply, stack, execute and you can take that. What you want bad, it's the truth, I'm the change that you can make fact. Yeah, I've done it, it ain't luck, I can teach you. Stand up, we gon' make some moves tonight. Yeah, stand up, got something to prove tonight. So stand up, we ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. We ain't gonna stall, never stop. We gon' make it all to the top. We ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. You can get it all in some time. Make your dreams come to life. We ain't thinking small, thinking light. We just want it all in our sights. Move quicker, see the big picture. You could be selfish or you could be a giver. Go wizard, problem solve fixer. We ain't giving up till it's all delivered, Don't stop at the top, we gon' make it alright. No lies, just hard working and some long nights. Get lost, we dive deeper, disciplined life. The cost of sweat, time, yeah, worthy price. I don't care what they all say, no way. Negativity, any hate, I got no space. We gon' put our hands up to the sky. Appreciate our lives and we fight till we die. Yo, stand up, we gon' make some moves tonight. Yeah, stand up, got something to prove tonight. So stand up, we ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. We ain't gonna stall, never stop. We gon' make it all to the top. We ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. Action on our dreams and fight, alright.
PTGC.
Same thing with Hex and Pulse Chain. It needs to create a W, not an M. Boom, boom. We don't want boom, 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 boom. We don't want that. We want boom, boom, boom. Come down, test a little couple areas right here, maybe 1153, and then W on out and create a new all-time. PTGC. This is the sleeper, peeps. This thing is the sleeper, man. Nobody's talking about it. Once again, volume. I would like to see the volume get up. Liquidity, perfect. 10%, perfect. This is what I like to see. Liquidity is nice and high. This thing gets to a $35 million market cap. This thing's going to have $1 million in liquidity. So I like what I see there because that's getting added to it. New all-time high. Yesterday, created. New all-time high. Came up, went down, W'd out, bam, beautiful, perfect. Once again, there's only 2 coins that I see doing very well with good tokenomics, good liquidity. Some are better than others. Against Pulse Chain. It's a new all-time high. It's a new all-time high against Pulse Chain. This is running faster than Pulse Chain. Like a meme should, or like a meme coin, altcoin should. This thing is in its own bull market. It came out, it flagged out, and we're at a new all-time high for Pulse Chain. So, no matter when you bought this coin, it never left. It never created a downtrend. Look, bam, 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 new high. So if you're just holding the Grays currency, you're winning. You're winning. You're ultra winning against Pulse Chain. Because not only Pulse Chain is going up, this is going up against Pulse Chain faster. So if there's any coin on Pulse Chain right now, as we speak right now, just talking about right now, that you say, hey, what's the coin to hold? And I look at versus Pulse Chain and I see Pulse Chain running, PTGC. So versus Pulse Chain, you know, you got in the Grays, you got, you know, down here, 0.02 Pulse Chain per 1 Grays. Now people are getting 11 Pulse Chain per 1 Grays. So, like, you know, bullish. Very few charts are going up and staying up against Pulse Chain. This is key. It looks like it wants to bottle up and get going. It needs to go ASAP. Listen, this stream, literally last week, you would have 2x'd whatever Pulse Chain you put in there. You don't believe me? Guess what? Last week, last Thursday, 7 days ago, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But guess what? That was on a Thursday. We did the stream, the power stream, where we started showing the PTGC stuff and all of that on Monday. So that's an additional Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, additional 3 days. 1, 2, 3. That was our big pump from Monday. 991. You're literally just doubled your Pulse Chain again. And you keep listening to racist losers like Hands. Once again, anybody that puts that man on their stream is getting blocked because the man is no good. And wait a second. We talked about this way down here. And people want to say, well, you shouldn't get in because people are up all this money. Okay. They trying to sell you the Hex, aren't they? They trying to sell you the Bitcoin, aren't they? They trying to sell you Every single coin will have people that got in early. You know what? They deserve the gains. This will continue, in my opinion, with or without you. Will you wait for this to be at 3? Will you wait for this to be at 4? Will you wait for this to be at 5? Or you'll continue listening to the people calling tops that aren't tops. We call the top here. Look at that. You call the top here. This thing could literally be a hockey stick and just keep going against pulsechain. This isn't the price. This isn't the USD pot. This is the USD chart. This is against pulsechain. USD, pulsechain.
The Crypto Kings are winning. The Crypto Kings community are absolutely smashing it. Subscribers, the people who've been following this show for the past year. I said it the other day on a tweet. The Crypto Kings, we've been talking about for at least 4, if not 5 coins for over a year, holding and shilling. Other influencers, they can't even hold a coin for over 2 weeks and continue shilling. We are different. And the crowd is seeing it. The devs are seeing it. And our community is absolutely smashing it. Welcome back to the Crypto Kings live stream. We got a great show for you guys today. Bitcoin's on the move again. Neiro's on the move with some crazy statistics, crazy listings. History's being made, folks. And we are right around the corner from the biggest move ever. What's going on, Moon King? Teddy Bear, I still see your foot. 19,000 holders was surpassed today with Teddy Bear, but you're still not over the 20 mil market cap. So you're going to have to sit there with just your foot in the stream. What's up, man?
Receipts, receipts, receipts. Videos from a 400K market cap. What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your boy. B-Roots. That's right. Your undisputed heavyweight altcoin champion of the world. The black is for Ethereum. The blue is for pulsechain. When you continuously keep calling meme coins like Shiba Inu, like MRI, like Colt, like Neiro, you deserve a championship belt. When you create a journal of X's on pulsechain like PDI, like Atropa, like PTGC, like Teddy Bear, you deserve a belt. And we are creating a nice, beautiful journal of PTGC. So all the haters, that's right, the haters could just sit there and melt inside of their hate as they watch. Not experience, but watch the Crypto Kings win. What's up, Ian? How's it going today? How's it going today?
Dude, I gotta address this because it's funny. I gotta address it, and I won't say more. Let me find it. No. Where did that you just put up Pumpaholics? There it is. Okay. Haiti P. Where'd it go? Anyways.
Sure.
All right, put it up. Haiti P. She tweeted yesterday. She tweeted.
She did. I have no idea.
She goes, I stay only shilling RH ticker this entire bull market. I've stayed only bullish on pulsechain. I hit her with the response. Well, someone actually else first hit her with the response. He said, Katie, you shilled the Yang Gang. You shilled them. And she goes, yes, but you should have read my other 3 tweets that I said about it. And I felt, and I was naive. And I commented, I said, being naive doesn't erase the facts. You have not stayed only shilling RH tickers. And you know what happened, man? You know what
He
happened?
block you? Ah! Wait. The Blue King might be blocked, so I might witness something here. Hold on, we might go live. Let's do this live. Actually, I have no idea. By the way, Brief.
Pull it up live, bro. We want to see
We'll do it live. Here we
your
go.
page live.
Here we go. Can I get a drum roll, please? Here we go. Is it blocked? Is it not blocked? Oh!
Hey! Okay, now you can show the tweet. Show the tweet, bro. Because I want you to read exactly, bro. I couldn't resist, man. I could not resist.
Where is it at? I got.
Hold on. Everything she does be tweeting a lot. It says something like, "I remained only shilling RH ticket."
Here's one.
Here we go. Read it out loud.
People get mad at me because I don't chase or shill every new coin that pops up. Okay, it's not a bad sentence right there.
Reasonable.
I've stuck to the same thing this whole cycle, accumulating more richer heart coins. Some call me stupid now, but we will see when the cycle's over who has been right.
No.
I've stuck to the same thing this whole cycle. Accumulate. Yeah, I can't get. That's not a bad thing.
All right, well, go to the comments. Let me see if this is the one. Oh, that might be her.
You've been great for our community, but let's be honest. Oh, y'all know she's muted now. Damn. Hey, I didn't be meeting people. I don't need to be saying like
That's all right.
That's chilly stuff, man. I'm not into that chilly stuff. You've been great for our community, but let's be honest, for a while, you did promote Tang Gang stuff. Then you realized that wasn't the way and went back to your normal high vibe bull post, which get me through the day sometimes. Overall, you did a good job. Like 4 posts, and I already tweeted saying I was not even want to talk about anything anymore. People have a way with words to make you feel bad. I also said I'm lucky to have 2 people close to me I trust to slap me out of it.
Let's see what
There's actually 3 people because she's not telling the full truth there. I told her that the Tang Gang I was probably the first to tell her. I don't know if I was the first because I have no idea when there was a conversation then. But we had conversations where I told her and I said, Katie, you're going to end up on the wrong side of history. And I'm not trying to show her my DMs and like that. If she wanted to get like that, then I would. But I told her, you're on the wrong side of history. Stop shilling it. I'm telling you, they're not flipping teddy bear. And she was like, how do you know? I was like, listen, I know Too Spooky and crew. You may not know them. I know them. And I'm letting you know he's not as good as you're promoting him to be.
Scroll down just a little more. Let's see.
I said, all right, cool. Do your thing. So there's actually three people. Now, was I the first or not? I don't know. But while she was tweeting about the Tang Gang, we were talking about it. So just want to let that know. Okay, that's over. So me posting a minute, damn, bro.
Yeah, you don't need to read all that. Just let me just see my comment. Did it get a lot of?
I came to promote Orange Chicken, and I've done that. I've got more protocols to support pulsechain than anyone. I've got more protocols to support pulsechain than anyone else. Sat in the rooms with some of the biggest name projects on ETH and connected people from our community to big name connections. I never deleted my requests because my hide from my stakes. All right, then you can't say you only do that. I don't see you up in here, bro.
Hold on, click out of that little thread right there. Or was it? Yeah. Or maybe click into that thread. I don't know. She might have deleted my comment. I don't know. Can you delete someone's comment?
Nope.
Maybe she hit it.
Are you on the right one? Is it a different post?
I don't know, bro. I'm blocked. It's all good.
Well,
either way, I'm blocked, and either way, that's.
I mean, she can promote whatever she wants to promote. It's free speech, free do however you want to do. That's why I got her muted. Like, I got muted. Like, I just don't like listening to the cheerleader KDP. I really like listening to the one that knows a lot of stuff. I wasn't a fan of the cheerleader. I'm not a big fan of cheerleaders because even stuff going bad, for a certain time, you can't be like, all right, you just gotta stop talking about it at some point in time. And that's what we do. If it's not bullish, we're not gonna talk about it. If it's flagging out forever, there's nothing to talk about. When's the last time you hear us talk about Hex? When's the last time you hear us talk about Ink? When's the last time you hear us actually outside of like pulse chain flipping? Like, you know, I do a tweet every now and then. I really don't pulse chain pulse chain that as much as I used to, because there ain't nothing going on. But I'll talk about that PTGC
or that PTI,
hey,
or that Neiro.
Neiro. But you just, as an influencer, you realize you're just drowning with a bunch of hopium, with a bunch of people that have hopium, and at the end of the day, these people ain't bringing no value. You're just stay in there, guys. It's okay, guys. Like, hanging, like, I mean, I'm not all about those types of.
And some people are, and that's fine. It was just funny, bro, because you can't claim that you've only stuck with something. That's not true.
Yeah, nah.
Just because you made 4 posts, which I've never seen, and she's never like copied and pasted it. You know, it happened, and that's okay, man. We've shilled some bad stuff too. It's okay. We take our licks for it, whatever. But you can't sit there and say you did it.
Some people ain't meant to be an influencer, and she even says herself, "I don't even want to be an influencer." Then don't be an influencer. Stop bull posting. Like, get off Twitter if Twitter ain't your thing. Trust me, I promise you. This goes for any influencer out there. Crypto is going to move with or without you. KDP, Hater P, whatever you want to call her. I saw someone say Hater Bush. Someone called her Katie Bush. I don't know, whatever it is. I promise you, if you want to go live your life and not be on Twitter, crypto will move without you. 100%.
Pulse chain will go.
It will go without you. Now, you want to be around to say you're right? Well, there comes that influencer. Then you want to be an influencer. But if not, it's cool. Nobody going to be mad at you for not posting again. It ain't needed. Trust me, it ain't needed. I'm not needed. I'm not even needed. And I'm the Moon King. I'm the altcoin champion of the world. I promise you, crypto will moon without me. It did it once. It will do it again. Hex moon without KDP. So which makes you think Pulse Chain ain't going to move without KDP? It did it once. They'll do it again. And that's why when I say, listen, man, y'all don't need me. When I'm ready to bounce, I'm bouncing. Y'all don't need me, man, because it's going to do it with or without me. Sooner or later, people's going to realize that, man. It's that simple.
Mm-hmm.
Until then, I'll run this space. Acknowledge the kangs, acknowledge the kangs, acknowledge the kangs.
All right, man. Let's get some Bitcoin up. Let's do it, man. I see it bouncing.
Memo.
That you, bro?
That you, Mo.
Hey, everybody, it's
Oh, man. All right, where we at?
All right. We are just, guys, smash the like button or else we got to hit the song. Guys, if you're on Twitter, retweet the space. Y'all acting like crypto's down today. You know, I don't see the engagement. Was it a holiday?
Is it? My portfolio's.
No.
I don't know.
Smash the retweet, man. Smash the like. Y'all are going to realize there'll be a flippening in influencers, and I guarantee it. So smash the retweet, smash the like. There will be a. Can't read it.
Hold on. From Too Spooky, apparently.
Someone just say that?
Yeah.
I can't read it. Read it.
Sounds like Devin might still be aiming to do a 9mm airdrop today. Way too many red flags. Dump it for ink. Now Too Spooky is all of a sudden the ink bull, bro. Can't make this shit up, bro.
All right, y'all, smash that like button.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right.
All right.
I think I found your post though. You still can't claim I stuck to this whole cycle just because you were naive and made a couple posts about it. I'm still funny on freaking Too Spooky all of a sudden. Say, man, this community is fucking just like, y'all got issues, man.
Y'all need Jesus.
Y'all got issues, bro.
Y'all need Jesus, man. All right, let's see what that Bitcoin is doing, bro. Because I see a pop. I see a drop in the BTCD. And that's making me happy.
Don't be saying D so hard and afterwards say this make me happy. BTCD making me happy.
PTCG.
Oh man. Ain't really nothing. Yeah. Still looking droopy though, man. It's like a bull flag, but it's the most droopiest bull flag ever. It's like a long weekly, just bored.
Droop.
Up the bottom. Didn't create a lower low on the weekly. But if we start going up from here, that'd be end of September, man. Like, if we start going up here, that was your, Rectember right there, that little drop right there. And what did we tell you? I told you way back here, about here. It's probably about here. We're right here on this red bar. We're going to retest this wick. We always do. I've been saying it for stream in, stream out. When you get a wick this big and you don't get follow through, this would have had to keep going for me to say, we're not retesting this wick. But as soon as I saw this red starting to create, I was like, listen, we coming back to retest this wick. And that's exactly what we did. We got, let's see here, within 5% of that wick, maybe a little bit lower. Let me double check a little bit lower. Bam. Yeah, about 6% of that wick. So if we moved up from here, I would be saying the low is in. But saying it right now is very, very a little early to be saying the low is in. Anyone saying the low is in right now is very, let's say, just guessing. It's a 50-50 game at this point. What makes the low not in? Well, easy. You got to come back up to 65, 66. So you got to, give me a higher low into a higher high. Now, how do I say, you're like, Beavers, this looks choppy. Yes, on the weekly. Now watch bring it down to the daily, and you'll see what I'm talking about. There it is. Woo, big up, higher low. Now let's claim this. How do we claim this as, okay, this is the higher low? You got a high, lower low, lower high, higher low. This is still a downtrend. Even though it's going up, it's still a downtrend. What makes it now officially an uptrend on the daily schedule? You have to go higher than the previous higher low, which was at 65,103. So you get higher than 65,103. You have a W pattern play out. Probably come up here, maybe get up to 70 a little bit, come down, create a lower high or a higher low again, and then bull run continues in October. So it looks like it wants to do it right now. It looks good. We're Wing on out of here. But at any time, you could whoop, whoop, maybe whoop. So that is possible. But right now it looks good. So we just need to get over $66,000 and it's go time. In the meantime, there will be coins that are preparing to move. Are you set? If you get in now, whatever that coin is, you're on the bullish side and you're saying, you know what? There is a chance it might turn against me. But this is where I make the most of my gains. Why? This is why. What happens if this thing bounces off of here and goes into all season? You literally bought the low as possible on that coin, and then you raise it up into October, November, December, and all coins. Even if it gets up in here, coins are going to start moving. So just realize, Pepe was probably moving what? Let's see when Pepe was moving. See if Pepe had a full altcoin season. Pepe came out in 2023 and was mooning to its high May of 2024.
No. It started mooning in
May and June 2023. It's been so high.
April, May. It was the first run.
So look at this. Like, it was in bear period time. That's why I say there's always an altcoin season somewhere. Because not until January of 24 did Pepe really take the next spot up. But you know what? Pepe's next all-time high was right here. So it mooned back here, went to $1 billion market cap, corrected a little bit during all this, and then pulled up a $6 billion market cap around here?
Yeah.
Like, that's a good year. That's a hell of a year. So when I say something like Neiro, and I'm like, hey, you can get in these coins and they can make some crazy gains and be the one, but you got to take some risks down here when nobody else wants to take risks, because that's when coins are getting established as the major player. And we'll talk about that in a bit.
And you had multiple coins running too. You had Wojak running the hundreds of millions, Ribbit. That little pop right there, that created a ton of meme coins running.
All during not even officially altcoin season. Wow. So we did get lower. We got a lower.
Back in the box.
We're back in the box again. And did we create a lower low? That's what I wanted to see. A lower low from the previous doji candle. The low is 57.16. And we got 56.87. Yep. So lower low. What was the high? Is this a bearish engulfing candle? This will be interesting. High, 57.71. High. 57.70. So almost close to a bearish engulfing candle. But this is enough to say, okay, right now, what we're doing right now, we're testing this pink line right here. So we're out of this little box right here. And we're testing this little pink. Dude, if this thing plays out and just starts coming down from here, that'd be crazy.
That would be crazy.
We were talking about this back in like March, May.
Someone asked what the trend line was that you had. It's 400-week moving average.
Yes. It's the 400-week moving average. It's just screaming down. So right now, you have to retest it, but we want to see a failure of breaking this. We broke below the support. So now this is resistance. So we have to take this as resistance. We don't want it to break resistance, and then we're just going back and forth. And then that turns into a bull flag, which gets a little scary. So I'd rather see like something like this. This is what I would rather see. Shoulder, head, shoulder, breakdown. That's what I want to see. Because if that happens,
That would be massive.
we're talking, 50%, which lines up with this support right here, back here, in the beginning of the year. Look at that trend line. Huh. See how this stuff plays out, man. Boop, boop, boop. Break it, boop, come up. Boop, boop, boop. See it. Don't touch it again. Head, shoulders, target line. Boop. How would that look like on the monthly? It won't look so crazy because that's on the daily, on the weekly. I want it on the monthly. You haven't touched it that many times. Boop, 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 boop. See you later. Now it comes back down to where it was at. But on the 3-month, whoop, 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 retested already. Go up. Now you have right there. But I guarantee you it didn't test it on the 6-month. It did. It did test it on the 6-month. Have we tested it on the yearly? We did. So it looks like it does look, I mean, it lines up to that. Look at that monthly. A doji being created on the monthly? Potentially. That would mean we have like another 3 weeks of that. Maybe it doesn't break down till, right here. Plays with you a little bit, back and forth, and then bottom line is this pump followed by a doji with the lower low tells me it wants to go lower. All the buy pressure, all the money going into Bitcoin is starting to slow up. And that should react in Ethereum's price also. That's why I see a big bounce off the trend line. I created this trend line last week or earlier this week. Bam. Hit it again last week. Now it's going to go up. Douche. That's it, man. Like, this thing is, we just waiting. Are we going to $160,000 and create this bull market that we all been talking about? Or are we coming down to 43,000? If we break a lower low, we are going back to 44, in my opinion. 44 is the number. Not 30. Not the bull market's over. It's going back to 30. 44 is that number. Vitalik is dumping on RH. I mean,
yeah, he is.
Could be.
All right, we got some super chats. $1 P-Dye. Impossible. Hockey stick. Based on call.
Oh, he's talking about based on the phone call I had. Because I think I said end of Q3, he said. When is the end of Q3? Is it October or November? I think October.
But what did he said 10 cents, right?
No, he said $1. No, he did say, he said 10 cents by somewhere, and then I thought he said,
or was it a penny?
No, I believe it was 10 cents.
Okay.
I believe it was 10 cents. 10 cents by
end of year.
No, because it was $1 by the end of the year for sure. We gotta go back to my stream. That's when it was fresh in my head. To be honest with you, I believe it was by end of Q3, if I remember correctly.
I think it was Q4. Kevin, MSI.
MSI.
MSI. What's MSI doing?
See her. Nothing. Had a good hype cycle for sure.
Looks like it found its floor.
Yeah, I mean,
sure.
I'd be surprised if it was lower than that. Like that's
sure found its floor. Look at that support.
Like it broke the ascending triangle, but didn't do anything. So it needs some height. Needs to get going. MSI. Shill Tank alumni. So we had no problem showing their chart. So if you guys are wondering, well, I played 1999. Well, they paid for a Shill Tank. So they get special occasion.
All right, you want to pull up some meme coins, or you want me to go over some statistics with Neiro?
Yeah, man.
It's pretty legit. I can pull up Neiro.
Yeah, go ahead. Pull up Neiro.
All right.
Neiro, man. Neiro.
Check this out, guys.
Neiro is set themselves up to win. And if all thing goes, man, they're going
bro, these guys are grinding. Like, I'll show you guys what's up. This is pretty cool statistics, man. I got a video coming out soon. Let me just drop this in the Neiro chat just because it's pretty legit what's going on over there. So here's the chart. Obviously, guys, crazy hype cycle up to 300 mil. And what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days. 12 days, this thing went to 300 mil market cap. But for the haters out there, this thing chilled down here while everyone was searching for Neiro. Everyone knew Neiro was the biggest narrative in crypto. And this one, no one really knew this was going to be the one. There was so many. There was other ones on Solana that were already at 60, 80 mil, broke 100 mil market cap, and this one was just chilling below 20 mil. And then day 4, pop, pop. This thing just exploded. Let me drop that in there. Then, obviously, we looked like we were flagging out. Bear flag broke down, guys. This was crazy sell pressure. Like the FUD, the haters, they even got flipped by the CTO down here. But this flush out got the Jeets out, got whoever was holding supply that just didn't believe, whoever wanted a quick buck, whether it was community, influencers, dev, whoever it was, looks like they got completely flushed out. Went all the way down to $22 million market cap. You had another chance to buy back in.
Below the CTO, by the way. So there's no excuses at this point because the CTO is higher and this Neiro is lower. So,
yep. There's no excuses. You had a chance. Now, this thing's back almost to 200 mil market cap. It hit 200 mil, sold off. This thing's just making its way up. But let me just talk to you about some facts. This is pretty cool. I just found this out today. Neiro is the lowest market cap meme to ever be listed on Binance. They understand the meme volume potential. Neiro is 20x lower than Pepe, 10x lower than WIF, and a 3.5x lower than PopCat. Now, obviously, guys, it's still just perpetuals. Spot has not been listed yet, but I think with the volume that it's bringing in, it's going to be very soon. Neiro has moved up to the second largest altcoin traded on Binance and still the number one largest altcoin traded on Bybit. With a combined volume across OKX, Bybit, Binance, they have $1 billion for the past 3 days straight in volume. So that's huge, man. Like 1 billion, and this is all in a down market.
Yep.
And then one last thing, man. This came up today. Beards, I was laughing at your response to the tweet. They're like, Naroshi's cooking. And you're like, what else is there to cook, bro? Neiro and crypto.com. So deposits and withdrawals of Neiro ETH via ERC20 have been enabled on the crypto.com app. So
Coinbase is next.
Coinbase is next, man. They got listed on crypto.com. So we're looking for spot. We're looking for just some momentum, bro. Like you said, everything's lining up with this token, bro. Everyone's talking about it. And when you have this much volume and you're listed on these big exchanges, that's when you have SHIB whales, Binance whales, all these different ETH whales checking this thing out, because this is highly undervalued, especially if you're talking millions of dollars. If you're trying to move $500,000, $250,000 in this at 160 mil market cap, this thing goes to 5 billion, 10 billion, 20 billion. Like, you're smashing it. So,
and we got all the exchanges, they got all the hype, all the time. Everything is right. If the timing lines up with this, I'm telling you, if the timing lines up to where there's a mini altcoin season, or whether there's something that's just popping off, Neiro is going to be the one to react. Neiro will be the chosen one. It will blow past Pepe. I'm telling you right now, it will blow past Pepe if it happens within the next month or so. If there's really a Pumptober, Neiro, in my opinion, skyrockets past Pepe.
yeah.
I mean, I don't even know if Pepe's on all those leverage. They probably are. But the thing is like, no one's really talking about. I don't hear anything about Pepe anymore.
Yeah.
It's kind of like dry. Like, you got your, every now and then you'll get, your Pepe crew, but like, no, it's not crypto Twitter.
Yeah.
Crypto Twitter is all about Neiro right now.
And if you get, you got listed on Binance 10x lower than Pepe. And if you're a VC company and Pepe went to $6 billion market cap, there's still gains to be made for sure. I think it's going to go up past that. But you got $160 million market cap coin listed on all the same exchanges, and you got an opportunity with a narrative to be the next Doge. And like we were saying too, like those SHIB whales, bro, they want to keep it in the family. Doge, SHIB, Loki.
Wait till Elon Musk. He's gonna say something. Elon Musk might come back and be like, Neiro. Game over. And he ain't even got that power like that anymore. But that's just enough to kind of spark it, because he's a dog guy. So,
yeah, he tweeted about Doge yesterday. Did you see that?
Yeah, the
department of
whatever happened to that one coin? Did it ever do anything? I saw it pumping.
Yeah, the DOGE one, like the.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I think it's at 14 mil market cap.
12 is correct. That's correct in big time now. There's a clear magnet on that one, like clear as day.
Should we show them or not?
I don't be a hater.
Oh. They're not gonna like that one.
Nope.
I already see you, bro. I ain't even gonna bring that up, man. Speculate all you want. All right, what other meme coins?
I will. Welcome.
I was even thinking lower.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Probably see on the 4 hour already correcting it. No. Do I have any gravestone dojis? It would actually be a really good, like, nice flush out. Boom, boom, and then boom. But yeah, that shit ain't.
Is this coin considered a cabal coin, or is it?
Actually, it's a little higher, I would say. So these are one. I think these are one of those. No, I'm sorry. You're going back down there. You know, it's one of those things. Like, it's okay. Like, Shiba Inu went to a $50 million market cap and all the way back down to like an $8 million market cap. Like, that's what happens. You get a hype, and then you come back down. But what is the Department of Government Efficiency? Like, what is the whole point of that?
So, basically, Trump said, if he's elected, he wants to put Elon in his cabinet to control the finances, so that budget the government better. So we're not spending all this wasted money so we can lower taxes. So basically Elon stepped up. He's like, yeah, the Department of, what does it stand for? The Department of
Government Efficiency.
Efficiency, to make it more efficient the way they spend money. Which isn't bad, man. It is a good narrative. And if Trump does get elected, like, this coin, it might be worth looking into the dip.
Yeah,
There'll be a lot of people talking about it. Indirectly, but directly,
I just don't like. That's the problem. These people who create these coins are stupid. Like, these guys got Solana
mindset,
fun mindset with only 1 billion coins. It's like, guys, like, you're already at 1 cent. Like, that's not what unit bias is. A real thing. It needs to have billions, trillions of supply. That's what people like. So when I sit there and see it 0.012, it's like, it just doesn't have the same. It just doesn't. So that guy that created that is a Solana. He was on Solana. I guarantee this guy's created memes on Solana, and he's just so used to that 1 billion supply. And but I'm not gonna hate on it. Just come back to my area and we'll think about it. Be Rich, you bullish on BCAT? I wouldn't say bullish. I still hold my coins. I'm not like ball it. I mean, is it mooning right now? If it's mooning, then yeah, I mean, bullish. But like, if it ain't mooning, it's just sitting there. I never sold a token. That's what you're trying to hit.
Kind of wish it right now.
Actually, you can't even see it on there. I don't think it though.
But it's one of those narratives, bro, where if that blockchain just starts moving, it's a no-brainer.
I mean, it's at a $1 million market cap. Like, it isn't doing anything. So let's just chill. So am I bullish on BCAT? It's got potential. So therefore I hold my tokens. I haven't sold a token. It creates a new all-time high. Your boy gonna be bullish on it. I'll be talking about it. Until then, I just don't. I mean, I really don't talk about a lot of coins that are just kind of going sideways. Like Welsh. Like, I still hold my Welsh. Am I bullish on Welsh? I mean, I won't say bullish until you start creating new highs. That's is price action. It's not. Yeah, same thing. Just jump.
I said no base tokens in your wallet.
Base? I don't think so. No, I don't think I have anything base. Not the base. What happened to Welsh? Well, it had a massive run. Now it's got to chill out for a little bit. That's simple. And STX is not really like STX was running hard because it was Bitcoin season. Bitcoin had the ETF, so anything related to Bitcoin was running hard. Welsh is the first dog coin on Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin starts running again and more stuff keeps coming out, I guarantee SCX is going to start running again. Therefore, Welsh will run again. That's kind of how it works out. BRC 100. What the hell is that?
I think that's like a base token.
Nah, BRC sounds like a Bitcoin NFT.
Ordinal.
Ordinal. Yeah, ordinal.
Oh, what about?
Yeah. There you go. That's Ian's piece.
Volt on PulseChain.
No, nobody cares about Volt anymore, bro.
It was a good run.
That shit dead.
It was a good run.
It was a good run, but there are a lot of good runs that are dead.
Voltoshi killed it.
Can we see the 9mm chart? Dang, bro. Trying to take an application to McDonald's?
Dang, I'm actually surprised on the PulseChain one.
I mean, I guarantee it doesn't have any freaking volume, or not volume, but liquidity in it.
I mean, definitely low, but
It's not the real one. The one you're looking at.
no.
No, you gotta look at the one from years ago. They just created one, just probably trying to act like, oh, it's
Gotcha.
gosh. All right, 9mm. Let's see what that chart look like. Probably look like do. That was two spookies. Oh gosh, it's getting worse and worse. Dang, two spookies, baby. Now he's all on ink. I might sell my ink. You want to buy my ink? Too spooky, blue spooky. You can buy it 2x higher since you're so bullish on it. Sell it to you for 2x higher than what the price is right now. Oh, that's a shame. And they got mad at me for not shilling it. Oh, you can't even get much lower. You know why? Because Loose Spooky and crew started it higher. I didn't think you could go even lower, but they started the freaking coin a lot higher than what it is right now. So they're actually lower than what they use. See this, guys? I'm going to tell you what this is. This is what you call a bot that buys all the tokens before anybody else can get to buy it. So you think you are getting a good deal. Look at that. You think you were getting a good deal. See that? 1 hour.
Go even lower. Go even lower.
I think you probably get some 30 minutes in there.
I don't. What'd you get? One?
You got one. And that all depends on when they started. They could have started at 29 and then boop, 30. Boop. Let's look
100%.
Let's look at the 15 minutes.
I will tell more. I will tell more.
This is what y'all think y'all know so much about crypto. You think you know about crypto. And they're like, everybody had just enough time to get in the coin. No, you didn't.
It's a fair launch.
Let's go 5 minutes.
This will tell everything, bro.
This will tell you everything. How much time you had to buy. And they're talking about, oh, everyone has equal opportunity to buy.
Fair launch.
And it's fine. But guess what? The difference between this and like let's say even Neiro, the price went up. See, these are scamming devs. Your Loose Spooky and 9mm crew, they're screwing you guys and you don't even see it. But you got people like Hater P telling you, oh, they're good people. They're good for PulseChain. They're good for PulseChain. I can't believe there's that many 5-minute candles in this dumb chart. Gosh.
You're going to be shocked. Look at that.
Oh.
One
One candle. That means it did happen at either. So this was 11:55 a.m. No, 12:55 p.m. Eastern. 1:55 p.m. Eastern. Boom. That's real. Man, I ain't got time to do it 1 minute. I'm sure in the 1 minute, it'll be like 11:29. They launched it to make it look like you had an opportunity to get in. And then, boom.
Bro, I bet you it looks the same on the 1 minute. Like
It's gonna take too long, bro.
I know. Don't do it. But look, let's look at a Cabal coin now. Let's look at Neiro.
All right, let's look
How
at
did Neiro
Neiro.
launch? Because everyone hated on that, and apparently you didn't have an opportunity. It wasn't a fair launch.
Everybody knows what was done, but you know what? The argument goes, "Hey, we control the supply, and therefore we believe that we are the best for the coin." And guess what? I don't know a single CTO that is on Binance, that is on blah, that is on this, and is on this, and is on this, and on this, on perps, and all this. I don't know a single one. 9mm sure ain't. I don't even know if a single HO Tangang coin is on an actual single exchange. Probably not. You know, since Too Spooky had $1 million worth of coins, he could at least got on MEXC for cheap. Wait, no. I'm gonna show you here this. I'm gonna show you the difference between a 5-minute chart. That was Cabal. Wow. You actually had all these 5-minute candles to get in.
Sheesh, that's a lot.
Oh, Cabal. Now, this Cabal, this was a $3 million. This was a $1 million market cap right here. No. $3 million market cap. Right? 001 would be $3 million market cap. So it went up, dropped all the way back down to a $1 million market cap. One, all this time. All these minutes you had to get in. And then it started going up. And then it basically said, see you later. Come on. You had all that time to go in. You can't say anything, Beeps. There's a difference between the 9mm chart and that chart. There's a difference between that team and people like them. One are scammers. The other is actually looking out for the token so the token can be the best that it can be. So everybody can actually make money. You're either going to complain about it or you're going to win. So the answer to your chart is no, I am not bullish on 9mm. Actually, OG Crypto Daniel, you are actually incorrect because what history do you need? If I really wanted to do crackhead time frames, all I need is what, 1 day of history on a coin, because I can TA the 5-minute chart, and a 5-minute chart will even show me stuff. So I'll give you an example. Let me delete this chart for you, and I'll teach you up a little bit on a 5-minute chart. There's something called a fib retracement level. And what you don't realize is what everyone, including Ian himself, when I first met him, his words, in quote, TA does not matter. TA, blah, blah, blah. These are just a bunch of lines. And that's what noobs, when they come in the market, they noobs.
Wow.
Now, it's okay, because they all do that. They all do it, including myself. I did it once, too. It is what it is. But you're saying just because it only has a certain amount of days that you can't gather information on. Well, guess what? This is the 24th of July, the 27th of July. And let's just say, let's go into the 29th of July. So from here to here, this top right here that happened on the 28th, I guarantee you when I put a fib retracement level on this chart of 3 days of 5-minute candles, there will be a line right at this point. Watch me teach you up. You go from the high to the low, and let's extend it a little bit so we can get something here. The high to the low, and oh, look at that. Look where it topped out. Notice how the lines are literally to the T. You could have bought here, you could have sold here. You could have bought here, you could have sold here. You could have bought here, you could have sold here. And guess what? You think you were going to buy here, but it tricked you. It went up higher and gave you a double top right at the exact line. But guess where it came down to? Right at the exact line. And it comes up and try to trick you. Nope. Up. Tricked you. Nope. And guess where it topped out? Right at this line. But you know what? TA lines don't matter because there's not enough history. I just schooled you. Free alpha. Just like this. Free alpha. You know why TA matters? Because 99.9% of this space is ran by bots. It's that simple. You're either going to believe that or not. If you don't believe it, enjoy trading. You will get wrecked. You'll never sell. Or what happens is you don't know when to sell, which increases your probabilities of winning the most. And what's going to happen is you're going to sell and you're going to be like, oh, it keeps going up because I don't know where it's going to stop. And then you're literally going to buy that top. But if you had the ability to learn where that top could be, you wouldn't buy back in at that top. But you are literally the exit liquidity buying right at that line. But because you don't know TA, you have no idea where to go in or where to go out. And therefore, you're basically just rolling the dice. And that is truly gambling. That's like you're sitting down at the blackjack table and you don't know how to count cards versus the person sitting at the blackjack table that knows how to count cards. Who do you think is going to win more money? Now, there's no guarantee that the guy that knows how to count cards is going to win money. But wait, you're muted, man.
Sorry, because I was going to say because the dealer has the same count.
Yeah.
But the probability is much higher because he knows when to bet big. Right?
Yeah, that's how it works. It's the same thing with crypto.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing with crypto. I just showed you a 5-minute chart on 3 days of information. I could literally bring it down to a 1-minute chart on 1 day of information. You know how many candles that gives me? Well, how many minutes are in an hour times 24? There it is. Like that's how many candles I've got. I got a lot of information with that. The only thing is you do truly have to be on crack to be doing a 1 minute, 5-minute chart. Hey, you're literally like, it can be done, but like I don't want to waste my time doing that. But it can be done, absolutely, 100%. There are professional traders that do trade the 5-minute chart, and they're leverage trading constantly on those. Boop, boop, 10x here, boop, go up 10x here, boop, 10x here, boop, 10x here, 10x here, 10x. It's just too much for me, but yeah, that's how it works, man. It is what it is. Like either people gonna believe it or not. If you don't believe it, then hey, you're always gonna be that guy. I'll just stake hex for 5555 and timing in the market and timing out of the market. Like, yay, guys, let's just sit here and round trip 5 times. All right.
You need to dress up as Mickey Mouse or something one time and freaking like surprise your kids, bro. They would be like, it's him.
Time in the market is better than timing the market. I hate that.
Yeah, I mean, dude, TA will save you, bro. Like, I mean,
it works. It works.
You make a lot more money if you at least have the basics down. That's why watching this show, man. Watching the show, subscribing here, subscribing to the YouTube, subscribing to the Moon King. Get that TA lesson. I'm even subscribed.
Telling you, man, this stuff like these lines are like they're lines for a reason. Even goes further than that. Whoop, next line comes after
we don't see your screen.
Oh, like for as far as it goes, it's funny. Like, look at this. We talked about this line where it topped out. Whoop, came back down the line. Go up, whoop, came up the line, struggle right here. And guess what happens to it? Guess where it tops out? The next line. Oh, guess I would have took profit there. Guess what happens? Came down, come in. Guess where it tops out there? Oh, it didn't top out. It kept going, but guess where it came back and retested? Whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. So it just shows you it's where I can buy. Maybe from here, and I'm like, man, should I buy right now? I mean, I'm looking for a dip. Should I buy right now? It's coming down. Where should I buy? Oh, I'm going to be able to buy down here because I just think it's going to come down here. No, realistically, the next line down is where you should buy it. But guess what? Whoop, if you bought right here, whoop, whoop, you never got lower than here. Whoop, tested you once, but guess what? After that, whoop, 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 see you later. Goodbye. Good thing I knew TA. Now I never saw lower. Oh, the Neiro cabal is all bullshit. Oh, but you're way back down here where you bought. Better learn, TA, man. Especially while the market's down. Why not? Like, you got nothing else to do.
Midwife says, where can I learn basic TA? This is good. I need a place where I can ask questions. Any suggestions?
Oh, I'm sure Midwife knows. $9.99 a month, $120 a year. Subscribe to me on
Twitter. X.
That's right. And you can ask all the questions you want. You know why? Because once a week, I have a 2-hour subscriber-only X call where I just sit there and answer people's questions that they have, whether it's on crypto, whether it's on TA, whether it's on, hey, what do you think is a buy? Where can I buy this coin at? We can talk about that. Now, first, I'm going to not just give you the answer. We are going to walk through it. And I'm not going to make it easy for you. You're going to come up with the answer, and we're going to come up with it together, and I'm going to walk you through it. But based on TA, we're going to come up with that answer. For $120, if you're spending more than $120 in crypto and you're trying to find a simple question that could make you more than $120, you probably should subscribe. But we don't even just talk about that. Last week we talked about bank accounts. We talked about cashing out in different forms that people don't even think about. We talked about where to put your money after crypto. We talked about taxes. We got all kinds of things we talked about. But, everyone thinks it's just a call channel. No, I really don't make that many calls. I don't think I've made a call yet this week or last week. No, I made a call last week. I did. And it's still up.
All right, man. Anything else?
You got Neiro.
She said I'm a subscriber.
Yeah, she's a subscriber. I know she is. I think she's eating away to it. What's Pete doing, man? Down a little bit from a little run ahead. One thing you do gotta watch out for when it comes to came up and hit that. Oh, see how the lines don't matter? See the lines? Boop, right on the dot. That's where you want to take profit. Literally on the dot. To the T. You see that? TA does matter. Guess where it's probably going back to? It could be going back to 2-0.
Look at that support, though.
Yeah, you're above the all-time high, so it needs to hold this. If it doesn't hold this, it's going to go down to the next support. So it needs to hold that. That's what's playing with right now. That right there. If not, it's going to come down to here next. This would be the next support. 2-4. If not, this is going to be the next support. And then this is probably going to bounce hard right there. Because then you have yourself a little cup and handle. And where will that cup and handle lead you to? Boop. 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 Oh, look how that just magically appears to be right at that line. Guys, TA is a real thing. It doesn't matter. You know, come in here a little bit, come down here a little bit. By the end of September, you could be at half a penny again. That's what that says. But if you just don't know where to go, like you just wouldn't know. But this thing looks like it's just ready to poof. Just needs a nice little poof. Looks good.
To 10. Show us
What's up?
nothing.
Looks even better on the 3-day. So yeah, it doesn't even have to go back down. You're in the box right here.
PTGC is going to 0.
Heard that before.
He's kidding.
You got PTGC. What's PTGC doing? Going back up.
Look at that, bro.
Look at this. Oh, look where PTGC. Even PTGC's following the lines. I don't like messing with that. But even PTGC followed the line. Clearly.
PTGC defies laws of meme coins and sometimes TA.
I don't like playing. Like it did measure TA pretty like right here. Like this was definitely a magnet. It came up and it came down, touched back the magnet. But
look how many weeks of running it had though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 weeks of green candles. Or is it 12?
10.
10, okay. Jeez, bro.
And we're on week 5.
So where
I'm sorry. Like when you look at the monthly, it looks stupid. This shit looks like it is ready to fucking just it's going to a new all-time high. In my opinion.
nice.
By next month, PTGC will be at a new all-time high. Just like we spoke about earlier today. Look at this versus pulsechain. Do you guys remember in the part of the video this morning where it said maybe we should replay that video? Now we got 1,500 people watching.
Yeah, we'll do it. That'll be our outro.
Yeah. Remember we talked about this? It was 0.02. Down here. Down here, peeps. We were saying this thing, like let's get even lower so you can really understand where we were talking about. We were saying, guys, this thing is a sleeper right here. Like this is a sleeper. No one's talking about this. It's killing it versus pulsechain. Guess what? That was 0.02. And we were talking about before then, but just that video was 0.02 while I was at a $475,000 market cap. Guess where it's at now? 2.37. Let's add that up. 2.37 divided by 0.02 is a 118.5x against pulsechain. That means for every 100,000 pulsechain that you put in, that was, oh my goodness, you get back 11.8 million pulsechain. Realize that 100,000 pulsechain times 0.00003 is only $3. Oh, these people sleeping so hard. It's ridiculous, bro. They don't get it, bro. I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say, bro. Like, what else do you say? Like, we haven't seen a hockey stick in a long time in crypto. And y'all say, the top is in. The top is in. I can understand why you think that. But hockey sticks could just be starting. That's the thing. You don't know. I'm not going to sit there and say we're going to go to 5. I'm not going to say we're going to go to 10. I'm not going to say we're going to go to 20. It might top out at 100. And this is just a freaking straight line. And then it starts crawling up, and then it tops out at 100 per pulse chain. Imagine how salty you would be if it was 100 per pulse chain. You could have gotten at 0.02. That's 5,000. That means for every 100,000 pulse chain that you put in at that time, and all it was just $100,000, $3. That would have made you 500 million pulse chain. Now imagine if pulse chain gets to a penny. Oh, that 500 million pulse chain is $5 million. Imagine putting in $3 and someone just handing you 5 million. Should we outro on that? Should we give them the PTGC video off of that one? Because that was pretty rough to handle if you're a hater.
See you on Shill Tank.
PTGC. Same thing with Hex and Pulse Chain. It needs to create a W, not an M. Boom, boom. We don't want boom, 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 boom. We don't want that. We want boom, boom, boom. Come down, test a little couple areas right here, maybe 1153, and then W on out and create a new all-time. PTGC. This is the sleeper, peeps. This thing is the sleeper, man. Nobody's talking about it. Once again, volume. I would like to see the volume get up. Liquidity, perfect. 10%, perfect. This is what I like to see. Liquidity is nice and high. This thing gets to a $35 million market cap. This thing's going to have $1 million in liquidity. So I like what I see there because that's getting added to it. New all-time high. Yesterday, created. New all-time high. Came up, went down, W'd out, bam, beautiful, perfect. Once again, there's only 2 coins that I see doing very well with good tokenomics, good liquidity. Some are better than others. Against Pulse Chain. It's a new all-time high. It's a new all-time high against Pulse Chain. This is running faster than Pulse Chain. Like a meme should, or like a meme coin, altcoin should. This thing is in its own bull market. It came out, it flagged out, and we're at a new all-time high for Pulse Chain. So, no matter when you bought this coin, it never left. It never created a downtrend. Look, bam, 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 new high. So if you're just holding the Gray's currency, you're winning. You're winning. You're ultra winning against Pulse Chain. Because not only Pulse Chain is going up, this is going up against Pulse Chain faster. So if there's any coin on Pulse Chain right now, as we speak right now, just talking about right now, that you say, hey, what's the coin to hold? And I look at versus Pulse Chain and I see Pulse Chain running, PTGC. So versus Pulse Chain, you know, you got in the grays, You got, down here, 0.02 pulse chain per 1 graze. Now people are getting 11 pulse chain per 1 graze. So like, bullish. Very few charts are going up and staying up against pulse chain. This is key. It looks like it wants to bottom up and get going. It needs to go ASAP.
Listen, this stream, literally last week, you would have 2x whatever pulse chain you put in there. You don't believe me? Guess what? Last week, last Thursday, 7 days ago, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But guess what? That was on a Thursday. We did the stream, the power stream, where we started showing the PTGC stuff and all of that on Monday. So that's an additional Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, additional 3 days. 1, 2, 3. That was our big pump from Monday. 991. You're literally just doubled your pulse chain again. And you keep listening to racist losers like Hands. Once again, anybody that puts that man on their stream is getting blocked because the man is no good. And wait a second. We talked about this way down here. And people want to say, well, you shouldn't get in because people are up all this money. Okay. They trying to sell you the hex, aren't they? They trying to sell you the Bitcoin, aren't they? They're trying to sell you. Every single coin will have people that got in early. You know what? They deserve the gains. This will continue, in my opinion, with or without you. Will you wait for this to be at 3? Will you wait for this to be at 4? Will you wait for this to be at 5? Or you'll continue listening to the people calling tops that aren't tops? We call the top here. Look at that. You call the top here. This thing could literally be a hockey stick and just keep going against pulse chain. This isn't the price. This isn't the USD part. This is the USD chart. This is against pulse. USD.
So for those of you who want to make that change, you need some crypto to help you to make that green. Yo, they gotta let your crypto king showing you how to invest to live your dreams. So for those of you who want to make that change, you need some crypto to help you to make that